Okay, the question is, this is the question, 3 to the power of 5, 10 to the power of 5 into 25 divided by 5 raised to 7 and 6 raised to 5. So we see we have the base of 3, we have base of 5, this is 6 and this is 25. 25 can be changed into an exponent of 5, and for 10 we will have to make some arrangement. So let's see how we do this. So 3 raised to 5 into 10 we can write as 2 into 5 to the power of 5. 10 I have written as 2 into 5, 2 into 5. I have broken this 10 into 2 into 5 multiples. 5 to the power of 2. 25 can be written as 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of 7 into 6 I can write as 3 into 2 to the power of 5. Now there are two laws that are used here. One is A into B to the power of M. This will get distributed. A to the power of M into B to the power of M. So if we have, let's say, uh, 10 to the power of 2, okay, so what will happen is 2 into 5, 10 to the power of 2 is what? 10 into 10, right? So this will give us 100. 10 to the power of 2 is 100. Now if you are writing 10 to the power of 2 like this, 2 into 5 to the power of 2, this should give us, this 2 will get multiplied to 2, sorry, this 2 will come on this base, and this 2 will come on this 5 base. So 2 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 2. Okay. So this should give us 2. We are just checking. Okay. So this should give us 4 to the power of 2 is 4, and 5 to the power of 2 is 25. And 25 into 4 is 100. So that means this, I can write this, and I can, uh, what I mean to say is 10 to the power of 2 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power of 2. I can write it like this, okay, because this value 10 to the power of 2 gives us 100, and 2 into 5 to the power of 2 also gives us 100. So this is the important part here. So let's now just solve this. 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to, this power will get distributed, okay, here as well as here. So 2 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 raised to 7 into, here again same thing will happen, 5 on the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 2. So 5 to the, I'm sorry, 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5. This will give me, I'll simply arrange the base of 3 in one place. So 3 to the power of 5, and when this will shift on the top, this 3 raised to 5 which is in the denominator, when it will shift in the numerator, the sign of the power will change. Okay, so that is the important part. So 3 raised to minus 5 it will become. Okay, then we have 2 raised to 5. Okay, so here also we have in the denominator 2 raised to 5, so I'll write 2 raised to minus 5 because I am shifting this. Whenever uh, a number with exponent travels from numerator to denominator, their power, the sign of the power will change. What is the law that we are using? The law that we use here is a raised to minus n is equal to 1 upon a raised to n. Very important law, very useful law also. So whenever this a raised to minus n, this power is traveling, a raised to n is traveling to the denominator, going in the denominator, the sign is changing. Okay, this was negative, this becomes positive, a raised to n. Likewise, 2 raised to 5 becomes 2 raised to 5 in the numerator. Then we have 5 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 2 into this 5 raised to 7. So 5 raised to minus 7. So there is nothing in the denominator left. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the terms have been taken care of. Now we'll simply use this rule when the bases when there is a multiplication sign, the powers are getting added. A raised to m into a raised to n will give us a raised to m plus n. So 3 raised to 5 minus 5. Simply these will get added into 2 ka will 2 into 5 and 2 raised to minus 5. These will also get added. Again for base 5, these powers will get added. So 5 plus 2 minus 7. Now 5 minus 5 is 0 into 2 raised to 5 minus 5 is 0 multiplied by 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 minus 7 is 0. Anything raised to the power of 0, what is the law that we are using? Anything to the power of 0 will give us 1. So these are the laws. It is important to write the laws whenever you are using that law. 1 into 1 into 1 will give us 1. So the answer is 1.